Hey everybody, so I'm back here this morning at the FFA Catfish Pond at the Georgia FFA camp, and going to teach some kids to fish with crickets today, and talked to a couple of boys already. They said they hooked into a big cat yesterday, so we'll see if we get any good sized fish out of here today. All right, stay tuned. My first bluegill of the morning. It's Thursday, so these kids have been catching them all week, but pretty nice bluegill right there. All right, we're throwing him back. Nice big purple bluegill this morning. Guys, we hooked this catfish on a cricket. I was fishing for bluegill and this thing grabbed it.
I don't see nothing.
He's down there. All right, don't put the net in the water till I get him up and we see him. I wonder if we should walk him over by the wall. Yeah. Let's wear him down a little bit. That's a decent fish, I think. Keep him out from under the dock. He gets under there on his dock post. We messed up. Yeah. He don't want to come up. Oh, that's a catfish for sure, though. Oh, he's not very big. He's not as big as I thought he was. We probably pull him on up. I thought he might be one of the big ones. He's just a little guy. All right, there he is. Oh. I thought he was going to be bigger than that. That's a good little fish.
Oh, it's got brain damage now.
The hook came right out.
She's good sandwich size.
Yeah, that's a nice little fish. About 3 foot. Yep.
She's all right.
It is a good bluegill. Look at that thing. It's a nice one. What you got? Yep, bluegill.
I can't really tell when I fish that well. I just
All right,
know.
push the button.
Button.
Yep, let it out. Okay, let go. All right.
No.
All right, so with these guys, you want to hold the hook. That kind of gives you a handle.
Yeah.
Then you want to take your hand and you want to start at the top and go down where your finger holds these fins down and these fins down. Then you just push your hook out because these are your stickers right here and right there. Yeah, they'll stick you good. All right, we're putting him back. So Peanut is tight lining them on the bottom with a piece of hot dog, and he is catching a bunch of them. That's a good bluegill. Got a little bluegill coming in. They are tearing these crickets up this morning. So going in right below the neck, going down, coming out the abdomen.
That's lovely. Oh, yeah, he's lovely. Yeah.
No doubt about that one.
Bad day to be.
That's a nice bluegill right there. Cool. There you go. All right, throw her back. Cool. A little bluegill down there hiding on the bottom, looks like. Oh, might be a nice little bluegill. Yeah, pretty decent bluegill right there. All right, going back. Well, that's how deep they are this morning. All right, looks like might be another decent bluegill coming up. Oh, he looked like might have been a purple bluegill. Let's see, coming out from under the dock. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Look at that puppy. A good little bluegill there. Them crickets is getting them today. There he is, Mr. Bluegill. You want to take him off?
I'll attempt to.
All right, so you're going to hold the hook for a handle.
Okay.
Wait, okay. You want to make sure you keep these fins right here down and these fins right down. So you want to take your fingers and run them down like that. So you got him where he's not going to get his fins back up. Okay, now hold his fins down and then push the hook back up. Yep, you got it, just push it up. There you go. All right, there's your fish.
Catherine, do picture.
I got another one under the dock. Feels like a good fish. Yep, looks like a good bluegill. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for right there. That's a nice bluegill. Yep, big purple one. Good fish. Going back. Yep, looks like a good one. That's all right, we'll get it out. I picked mine up as it came out. Yeah, that's a good bluegill there. Nice.
This is these one up front.
Let's see what happened here. Well, we'll get the fish off and then we'll get this out.
Let's see.
Oh, it came off anyway. It's a pretty bluegill.
So,
Nice. All right, he's back in. If you love fishing,